Hello, everyone. Is your visa about to expire? Your tourist visa, I mean. Yes? Okay, so stay here because this video is for you, right? Some people ask me, Cynthia, do you know if I can stay in the US while I wait for my approval, for my extension approval? Well, yes, you can. Listen, I'm not a licensed lawyer here. I'm not an attorney, right? I'm a translator. I'm a certified translator and linguist. So I can talk to you about documentation processing, right? But if you want to talk to an attorney, I can refer many of them and good ones. Just call me or just send me a message and I can help you with that. But as a language professional who works closely with immigration documentation, with immigration lawyers, I frequently see how confusion about visa extension processing time creates anxiety in people. Many applicants worry about overstaying or violating immigration laws and even affecting their immigration cases in the future. Well, as I said before, while I'm not an immigration attorney and cannot provide legal advice, I can explain how USCIS documentation requirements work, and mainly why translation accuracy matters during this waiting period. These guide guys explain what generally happens while you are waiting for your visa extension approval, right? And how proper document preparation, including compliant certified translation, can help you reduce avoidable delays. Visa extension processing time. What is that, Cynthia? Okay, this is the period USCIS takes to review your case and your request for extension of tourist visa. So for most B2 tourist visa holders, this involves filing a form I-539. Processing time may vary depending on their workload, USCIS workload, service center location, time of the year, documentation completeness. So that's why it's important for you to have your documentation prepared, well translated, right? So incomplete or improperly translated document, evidence can cause delays or denials. So according to USCIS, if you filed before your authorized stay expired, submitted a complete application, and did not violate any visa terms, you are generally okay. You are allowed to stay here in the US waiting for your approval or denial. This period that you are here waiting for the result, the decision in your case, is called period of authorized stay. Approval is not a guarantee, right? So from a documentation standpoint, clarity and compliance are critical during this phase. Legal strategy should always come from a licensed immigration attorney, but linguistic accuracy plays a structural role in how your documents are reviewed. During visa extension processing time, USCIS will carefully review your financial documentation, your birth certificate, your marriage certificate, your immigration record, any other supporting statements. If any document is not in English, USCIS requires a full and complete certified translation. And when I say certified translation, I mean done by a linguist, not a bilingual person. A professional translator must be a linguist, all right? Sometimes if you send translations that are not complete or have missing parts, missing pages, or they have incorrect terminology or improper certification wording, they may cause a very serious problem in your case. So when foreign language documents are involved, work with an experienced immigration certified translation services ensures that documentation meets USCIS compliance standards. An improperly translated document can result in a request for evidence, RFE, which significantly extends visa extension processing time. Regarding documentation, visa extension includes civil documents like birth certificate, marriage certificate, divorce decree, personal documents. Financial records like bank statements, proof of income, affidavits of financial support, maybe bank letters if you want to ask for your manager. Academic or institutional records like school transcripts, enrollment letters, diplomas, these things. USCIS requires that all foreign language documents, again, be fully translated and certified by a professional linguist. So the translation must be complete, not a summary. Proper certification statements, formatting aligned with the federal expectation. What is that? The formatting has to be the same of the original document. Terminology consistent with immigration documentation standards. This is not legal representation, guys. It's linguistic compliance, okay? What I'm talking about to you right now. Linguistic compliance. Don't confuse with legal advice. So, from a linguist standpoint, immigration translation requires precision, structure, and familiarity with federal formatting expectations. When visa extension processing time is involved, even small documentation errors can result in an extended review periods. That's why it's important to work with specialized immigration certified translation services. It helps ensure documents are properly prepared before submission. For case-specific legal advice, always consult a qualified immigration attorney. If your application was filed on time and properly, USCIS generally allows you to remain in the US while you wait for your extension. As an immigration translation specialist who works with licensed attorneys in the US, I can say that protection comes from filing before expiration, submitting complete evidence, ensuring foreign language documents are accurately translated and certified. As a linguist specializing in immigration documentation, my role is to ensure your paperwork is clear, compliant, and aligned with USCIS standards. Legal decisions belong to immigration attorneys. Linguistic precision belongs to trained professionals. And when documentation is involved, precision matters.